Yeah, bro, so today we're cooking out for RESE. If somebody not tapped in, there's like an artist blowing up that hops on the hardstyle beats.
I'm front, then my chopper go.
With elements of trap, rap, and today we're gonna do exactly that. Let's do it. And for that video, by the way, I'm gonna be using the sounds from this 2026 stash kit I finally made. It's already out, and there I include like a bonus folder, hardstyle, with all the sounds we need. I collected a lot of them throughout the internet. So yeah, let's do it. So the BPM is like 150. Let's do like open up a serum. Today I'm gonna be like with y'all, learning with y'all, but I kind of understood the idea. So let's take some plaque. Let's do like so as I can see, it's like G, G, F, G sharp is like higher than its usual like key. So let's do like an E or some shit. Yeah, E minor, yeah. Alright, let's take this plaque. We're not gonna do too much thinking because it's like, I mean on sound selection, because we're gonna make them sounds and we're gonna sound design, because like really heavy on mixing these type beats. You just need to make cool little pattern, repetitive, like that. Maybe let's create like a chord. I like to do 2 2 2. Yeah, let's put it like here. Yeah, like this, like the second part. Yo. Alright, let's then just throw it on third channel. Here I have already my like template, but let's just remove to not confuse y'all. And I'm gonna go as I'm making the beat. So let's throw some noise on it first, some white noise. And let's throw a wave shaper to bring this shit like some nasty shit. And then limiter. And hard clip it like so it's like brick wall. Where's the limiter? Yeah, ceiling. You know, like trashy sounds like. Alright, let's go to calculator. Here's like a little trick. Shut up. Here's like a little trick. Go to calculator, type 60, and then divide by your BPM. So 0.4. And you can multiply by 2 or divide by 2 how many times you want. So yeah, 1/6. We can do 1/6 like that. And so decay gonna be synced to your BPM. Fuck, 1.6. Да блять, 1.6. By the way, shout out 18 for making this beat. This shit crazy as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Alright, boom. So 1/6. Also, what we're gonna do pick controller, then go to our reverb, link to controller, pick this one, invert, boom. Let's do crazy reverb, but it's controlled by pick controller, so now let's replace it with the delay 1.2. yeah, ping pong 2. You hear, yeah, you hear. A little diffusion. Now let's throw another shapy box with like rhythm. Might be octave down. Yeah, bring. Also, let's try like a patcher on it. A lot of source I'm showing you today in these melodies. Mid-side EQ, I fuck with this preset to make it work. As you can see, like -6 dB on the left. So we bring it like 2 dB or some shit, like 1.5. And then what it does is just separates it by 2, mid-side splitter. So in the middle it's cool, and left and right you like separate. And we remove the lows from the side, so the bass is not clash. And so we don't need that stereo though, because it's putting the lows back to stereo, you know what I'm saying? And before that, we can put pan on it, like, or pancake. Pancake, boom. So my lights went out, I fixed them, so let's go. So bro, we actually ran out of space on effects, so we're gonna route to this track only to pass it to this mixer track, you know. You take out from this shit and put it here. So now we say it's a melody. So say the melody. Let's put like a bass, A8 bass channel as a 7. 7 channel. Also mic it like a, I don't know, like red. Now we put it on the bass. Let's just start with this shit. We can use the regular one or a couple of these. Let's use this one, try to use this one. So put it on 7. Then we sidechain to this track, put Sus on it, like this, A8. Now it works, you know. So this the tail of, oh yeah, you pick the bass, not the insert from here, the bass, you pick the bass. So what that do is when you play your bass, it cuts exact same frequency that needs to be cut, so the bass fully, like, you know, they not clashing. Yeah, let me cut itself. And let's do. So it's like E minor. Let's create a shape like this, the regular, you know, square. And we're gonna do this rhythm. What you can do this. Also, what people do, they shift it like this, and they throw like a, I don't know, key snare or a clap. So they go boom, boom, and basically the same shit is this, but you know, you can see here like it's like a noise and then the bass, but I don't really like how I did this shit here. So let's change the BPM or bass. Let's sub the bass too. Shape it box, noise. Let's set this one I fuck with, you know. Also do the shaper box to get all these highs. We actually can do this. And the source, like the key effect to it, the key combination, you throw full limiter, you go to compressor, you pick the bass, turn all this down, and you make some kind of this shape. So this is our bass, right? This is our bass. We can do the roll shit like this. Not gonna fuck with it. Maybe in this part we can extend it and here set up with the triplets like this, something like this. I don't know if it works. Yeah, like this, triplets. Oh, Lighthouse like double rhythm. What if I put it up? Alright, so for that part, we're going to have to, you know, take the couple of these kicks. So let me show you how to use it. I feel like, yeah, this one fire. So drop it on the playlist, then go to double click on it, right click, edit in the time warper. So what it's gonna do is it'll show you the BPM. I feel like this is cap. This is low key cap. I think it's 147 because the tail, yeah, it's like this. You see the one fully goes into the section and the end ends here. Yeah, we'll see. So you do like stretch. Oh yeah, fuck the same shit, the same problem. Stretch, go back to 150, and so it's D. We'll go 2 semitones up, and we'll put it back on 7 as the bass. Maybe turn off the wave shaper. We'll see, and we'll place the shit. Yeah, we turn these off. What we can do to sauce it up. Nah, I don't fuck with the sound. Yeah, this one. Go back, go to a time warper 136. Yeah, 136. Yeah, this one is true. Stretch, misclicked it here. Then G sharp is G, F sharp, F, E. Oh yeah, this one hidden. 150. So don't forget to make automations. So we turn off this here and here, but we can even do this. Woo! That'd be stuff. Actually, oh, why did I put it on 5? It's supposed to be on. Yeah. But actually, I'm gonna put these kicks in the playlist too. Cause why not? Let's also follow the roll. I'm glad that's pretty much the main basics, you know, and from there you can add up, sauce up, and do your thing on it. Don't add too much shit, Now we can add this shit. This like off rhythm shit. Not off rhythm, like shifted rhythm. See why I did the BPM thing? Because like when the bass is fully like finished, it sounds really good, you know? Let's set this shit too. So it's 150, right? Because it's like, yeah, oh, 120. This one 120. Alright, so. No, I feel like it's 150 because like fully in this section. So yeah, sometimes it's cap, but like. I'm gonna put it on 7. Fuck with this shit heavy. We can add hi-hats too. Hi-hats really good, at least get 2, bitch. Like. Bro, that bitch tough. Nah, let's do one more thing. Fuck the intro. Yeah. We can take the wax here, bam, go like this, boom, like a Jersey style, boom, boom, boom. One lower, one louder, and then put it on third. Oh, you feel me? Hold on. So bro, that's pretty much shit. Let me know if y'all need the part 2. As far as arrangement, do your thing, do your like, you know, creativity, add couple fillers here and there, just pretty much the same shit as a trap arrangement, trap rap, hip hop arrangement. Appreciate you for watching. Let me know if y'all need the part 2. I'll fuck with it, be heavy. Peace.